James Denny is third on the list for a double lung transplant.
If I don't get it, I'll die.
To make things worse, someone stole the car his wife needs to get him to the doctor. A white Subaru inside the oxygen tanks James depends on. Well, his wife Michelle contacted the Fox 31 problem solvers. We quickly found them some help. A good Samaritan donated his BMW wagon.
Let's give a car away. I'm ready. Let's do this.
All right, let's do it.
It's Shaw. We're downstairs.
This is your new car.
Oh,
Are you serious? You have no idea what this means to us.
That is beautiful. Thank you so much.
Fox 31 problem solvers just literally helped save my husband's life.
the Dennys never expected what would happen next.
I was just really in shock.
James got one of those photo enforcement camera tickets in the mail showing their stolen car whizzing through an Aurora stoplight at East Mississippi and Abilene on the day it was stolen, December 11th. The camera reveals a portion of the driver's face here.
And it's very clearly not me in the picture because I have a beard and I'm about 40 years older than this kid.
This is Shaw Turner with the Fox 31 Problem Solvers.
We contacted Aurora Police.
So I have a photo enforcement ticket that may show the face of a stolen car suspect.
They're searching for the car thief right now. So take another look and contact police if you know anything that can help in this case.
And the Fox 31 Problem Solvers solved my problem for sure.
Shaw Turner, Fox 31.
Love